I be poppin' mess out some Fresco.
What's up, Stu Nation? It's your boy Stu, and I'm back with another vlog. Today, we are going to meet up with some other fellow riders that I met a while back. We're gonna get a good, nice ride in. As you guys can see, it is hella gloomy outside. The weather says that it's not gonna rain, but in Virginia, you never know. This is like my second time riding with these people. They are a lot more experienced than I am. I don't know who's riding with us or how many ride with us. If you're new to the Stu Nation, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell at the bottom. Also leave a comment, people, please. Your boy loving the support. I love the vibes that I'm getting from you guys. Give me a like, subscribe, all that, get jazzed. Let me know that you joined the Stu Nation. Stu Nation is growing. Slowly but surely, the Stu Nation is growing. I don't know if y'all noticed, but your boy has gained a lot of subscribers since the past, what, 3-4 months? Talk to your mom, talk to your sister, talk to your boy, your grandma, your grandpa. Let everybody know if they got a phone, they watch YouTube, to join the Stu Nation. Hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, show some love. So we're almost there at the meetup spot. Finally get a vlog where I'm riding with other people instead of by myself. Now, a little disclaimer before we get too far into this ride. These people have 750s and 1,000. I have a 600, so I'm probably going to be in the back of the pack. I know my limits. These people got some high power bikes. Where do I park?
Where you at?
I'm in a driveway right now.
Alright, you shake.
Alright.
I'm open the door.
Alright. How you been?
Good, how you been?
I can't complain.
Looks like it's gonna rain, but it ain't supposed to.
No, not at all.
Yeah. Coming in, yeah. Flex, I just wanna win, yeah. LA baby, who we running with, yeah. 2, 2, 3, I'm on 10 again, yeah. Station name, big double flame. I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again. I just flipped the pain.
Homie got the R1. We got the Ninja, and we got another Gsxr. So Gsxr game running strong here. Only thing is mine's 600, hers is 1,000. So mine's considered as a baby compared to hers.
So big bags coming in, yeah. Flex, I just wanna win, yeah. LA baby, who we running with, yeah. 2, 2, 3, I'm on 10 again.
Oh, listen to that backfire! Oh my God. Oh, I'm just gonna stay in the back of the group because I know my limit. I'm new at this and I'm not trying to prove anything to anyone at all. But I will say, it does feel really, really good to ride with other people. So we finally made it here at the National Harbor, doing a little pit stop. My man, I don't know exactly where we're going, but I think we're just gonna ride around, probably go to like another destination. So we'll see exactly what we got planned. Like I said, I'm just going along for the ride. I just met most of these people. The only person I really know is my homegirl right here, and she introduced me to everybody here. They're about to leave. We got another guy who's pulling up. We got a CBR. It's a nice bike. It was good meeting you guys. Definitely, you too. Good ride, good meeting you, man. I put this in your backpack for you.
Hopped in the
baby, and slide my way. I'll play the catcher, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hop in new, baby, and slide my way. I play the catcher, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. And get you in the bed, we don't do much talking. Come to think about it, don't do much often. And that's how we like it. Never time for arguing and fighting. And if we do, you know it's quick to make up. Pay for all your manicures and makeup. Make sure that your baby's straight, no pay cuts. Take care of my baby like a daycare. Hop in the hood, baby, and slide my way. I'll play the catcher, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my way. Hop in the hood, baby, and slide my way. I play the catcher, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my way. Throw it like a cyclone. Said she wanna play around with the lights on. Said she wanna play around with my ice on.